Good day everyone. This is a tutorial on how to reformat and install new operating system into your computer. So the first step is to have at least 8 gigs of flash drive and make sure it has a bootable Windows OS or any OS that is inside of it. So to install or to add a bootable OS into your flash drive, below is the tutorial. So the next step is to plug your flash drive into your computer, and since this is Dell, we're going to press the F12 button for the bootable, and we're going to press SanDisk partition 1, and then after that we're just going to wait a couple of minutes. So after waiting, we got this interface, and just press install now, and then the setup will start. So after the setup started, we get this licensing interface. We're going to press the next button, and we will choose the custom installation to customize our installation process, and this part contains the reformat and installation process of our new OS. Now we're going to delete the partition 1, partition 2, and the unallocated space that contains only an MB file, and we will need only the unallocated space that contains a GB, or the biggest file of all. And we're going to press the new, we're going to add a new partition to accommodate our newly installed operating system. And we're going to press the next, and then the setup or the installation process will now begin. And we're just going to wait a couple of minutes probably for it to complete. So the installation is almost done. This part is only the waiting stage, or the waiting part of the process. And now after the installation is done, you get a black screen, and your computer will then restart to get the newly installed operating system. And this part is purely waiting stage. You're just going to wait until it finish setting up your computer. Now the installation is done. We got this Windows logo, and we will now get then a Windows setup. We're just going to press the US as a default, and US again, yes, and skip. We're just going to fill up everything that contains it. Now we get the introduction to the Windows setup, and now we are prompted to enter our name, and we're going to set it as our ComLab, and we're going to press the next button, and then next. We don't need the password. We're going to press the next, and yeah, this part is done. So we're just getting these messages from Windows. So We're just going to wait a little bit. It is already done. So when checking if the OS was successfully installed into your computer, we're just going to go to that on the left, on the lower left. We're just going to the settings, and we're going to on the system, and then scroll down. We're going to see our OS, which is the Windows 11 Pro. So that's all. Thank you for watching.